Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, I will show you 9 different benefits of using WD40 on your car. WD40, which stands for Water Displacement, perfected on 40th try and still in use today. So, the new WD40 has 2 spraying patterns, one normal spraying pattern and the second one with using straw for pointing to a specific point. First use of WD40 for removing rust and penetrating. Rust can be removed easily on any metal surface. Not only we just removing rust on the surface, it will also be protected from the water. Another good use of WD40 for squeaking door. Use the straw and spray some on the door latch and no more squeaking door. Spraying WD-40 in a keyhole not only lubricate key mechanism, but it will also prevent it from rusting and freezing in the winter, especially if you are living in a cold weather. If you're having dry hood latch, spraying some WD-40 lubricate all the parts and removing rust spot, just like you see on the spring here. Another great use of WD-40 for detailing, restoring plastic, from old faded look to brand new plastic. So as the engine cover, from this to this. Spraying WD-40 on battery terminals, preventing from corrosion buildup, just like you see on this picture. One of the most important use of WD-40, making electronics semi-waterproof. It will help with the water repelling, especially on the sensors and terminals. Did you know that you don't need sticker remover if you have a WD-40? Not only it will penetrate under the sticker to be peeled easily, but it will also remove sticky residue. I saved this one for the last, bringing back shine on any faded clear coat paint job. Unfortunately, so many people using this trick before selling their car. I heard so many people said after a few weeks buying their car, paint become faded. That's because WD-40 covering the surface and giving shine till you wash the car. That's something you should keep in mind with this trick. That was my top 9 using WD-40. Let us know what are you using for in a comment section below. As always, thanks for tuning in, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.